guys, welcome to day 7 of Vlogtember, and I know I skipped day 6, but I was having technical difficulties because I was trying to edit the vlog, and out of nowhere the clips, they just deleted off the memory card, so I ain't have no backup plan. I mean, sorry, but right now I'm headed to Kroger. We're probably gonna get Chick-fil-A breakfast because yesterday I tried to get Chick-fil-A breakfast, but yesterday was Sunday. So I'm gonna get Chick-fil-A breakfast this morning and go to Kroger because I have to get lemons for this task that I have to complete, and then I need to get some other groceries for the house. So yeah. Seatbelt for safety. Well, never mind on the Chick-fil-A breakfast because they're closed because it's Labor Day, which I mean I just forgot about it. So I was like, yeah, let me check, make sure Chick-fil-A open today because I'm hearing it's a holiday, so let's just check. And sure enough, it was closed. So I don't know what I'm gonna get for breakfast. I've been wanting chicken bennies for the past 2 to 3 days now, so maybe no, actually tomorrow I have class, so I won't be getting them tomorrow. So it'll probably be Wednesday or Friday before I get them. But I just came up with a brilliant idea. Since today is my brother's actual birthday, I think I want to get him like an individual cupcake and a balloon and his favorite candy and like wake him up with it. I don't know, I'm being extra, but you know, it's supposed to make somebody feel special on their birthday. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm excited. I don't know, I just love doing like little corny stuff for people, you know, like that they're not gonna expect. You're gonna be like, what? You're like, Envee, what are you doing? Get out. I'll be like, I wanted to give you this. I have arrived at Kroger and in the parking lot. I'm just gonna put on my mask, you know, safety. Okay, mask check, keys and purse check, so I don't lock them in the car. All right, so let's go. To the photo. I just want to know why do people go to self-checkout with full baskets? Sorry. Whew, okay. Hands are sanitized, mask is removed. I got the stuff from Kroger. And now, I heard Wendy's got breakfast. I never had their breakfast, so maybe I'll go there, see what I can find. Not what I can find, but see what I can get. And then Dollar Tree, so that I can get my brother, oh my god, my camera light is blinking, really? So I can get his balloon and candy. So I am back home. I just got ready to take my task pictures. I have my lemons in the bag and I'm ready. I don't really know where I want to take them. I'm kind of debating if I want to take them like in a mirror outside or if I just want to take them like full body. So let's see. Okay, so the lighting is terrible, but I just finished taking the pictures for my task, and this is it. This is the picture that I took for my task. You saw it here first. You saw it here first. No. No. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Right now we're at Sky Zone. Probably can't hear me. He got his ears pierced. Show them your ears.